Are you annoyed as well when you take a screenshot and you have to pull down the notification panel to delete it? If yes, then I have a fix for this. The fix for this problem is called Nice Shot, and to get it, you need to download the Good Luck app from the Galaxy Store or from the link that I will put in the description down below. After you download and install the Good Luck app, open it, and click the module Nice Shot. Now all you have to do is to enable this option called Add Delete button. And what it does is that when you take a screenshot, this will add a delete button, and now you can delete your screenshot by simply pressing the delete button. Tell me in the comment section, should Samsung include this feature on One UI 5? If you want to change your voice and joke your friends, then this next video is a must watch as well.